I would begin using some of the mechanisms that we've begun to talk to our clients about, like some what-if scenarios and some stressing our organization. I call them war games, if you will. I would really start finding what I believe to be the consensus view of what's going to happen in our business and in our competitive landscape. And I would challenge my teams to find that, even though they say it's impossible. Nothing's impossible. Close examination and analysis will always give you better answers. But I would challenge the human capital dynamic of my business and find what's right for what I think is going to happen 18, 24, and 36 months out. Therefore, it leads us to things like, what does expansion look like or not? What does my capital investment scenario and decision making look like or not? What are the ramifications for my supply chain and the choices I make there? So there's a lot of real good work to do in the next 12 and 18 months, because I think hopefully in 12 to 18 months, perhaps the bottom will have come, if there is such a thing. Recovery will soon come, if there is such a thing. But out of that shambles, there's going to become a shining star, and it's the guy that's ready to kind of return to something that looks like more normal, more competitive environments where quality, speed, and service really matter. Cost is always important, but it becomes much more important when people can't afford what it is you buy anyway. And they say to you, price pressure's coming, and you look at yourself and you say, what do I give up? Do I give up margin, or do I challenge my own cost structure to be more appropriate and to be more profitable and more of a winning strategy? So I think there's a lot that's got to happen in the next 12 to 18 months that means choices with good analysis, consensus view, and a lot of what ifs, with, of course, ramifications known up or down with every choice you make. Because again, flexibility is the way you win in any dynamic environment. If everything were stable and everything were the same, it'd be easy to compete, because all we do is turn on the switches at the factory. It doesn't work that way.